Hey, welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I'm going to do one of my barbecue favorites for you, grilled pork chops. I grew up in Germany, and as you know, Germans love their pork. From the many pork sausages to schnitzel to Eisbein, Germans eat pork every day. When I came to the US, I fell in love with American beef because it's absolutely amazing, and I eat a lot of beef nowadays. But I still love my pork chop every once in a while. So let me show you my favorite pork chop summertime recipe. Let's do it. These gorgeous pork chops are all natural and ethically raised Cheshire heritage pork. I got these beauties from meatandbone.com. These guys used to ship only locally here in Miami, but since have expanded to ship nationwide, so give them a try. I highly recommend that you season your pork chops a little bit ahead of time and that you let them sit for an hour or two to absorb all that rub and all the flavors. Once you're done lighting your grill, set it to burn at around 400 degrees. You want to create a direct and an indirect cooking zone. First, cook the pork chops indirectly for 5 to 10 minutes. It all really depends on the size of your pork chops, but what we are trying to do is bring up the internal temperature of the pork chop to about 130 degrees before we sear it. Then you sear it for a few minutes on each side and finish with a final temperature of 145 degrees for a nice and juicy pork chop. I'm also making a grilled salad that James Lawrence recommended me. You can find him make killer food every day on Instagram as Certified Creole BBQ. Simply grill the vegetables. I have green and red bell pepper, some jalapenos for spice, watermelon for sweetness, and asparagus. I didn't season it at all, and the natural flavor in the charcoal will add all the flavor that we need. Just chop it up and enjoy. Our pork chops are ready and our grilled vegetables are ready as well. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. Let's check it out. Let's see these pork chops. Look really nice, really juicy. Let's see. Cut a little piece here off for you guys so you can see. Perfect. Oh man, so good. I love it. It's just the right amount of a little bit of sweetness, but a nice amount of spice. I like it nice and spicy, so I put some chili powder on here, so it's really good. Wow, the pork chops are out of this world. Sweet and spicy, it just blows my mind. But you know what I really love? It's the grilled salad with the grilled watermelon, the grilled red pepper, and we even put some grilled jalapenos in here. And that combination of sweet and spicy is just amazing. I totally recommend you guys to do that. And you know what? This is a fantastic recipe for like a weekday. because it takes about 30-40 minutes tops, and you're done with everything and you're eating. So it's great for a weeknight. Well guys, this is the end of our show today, and I hope you liked our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, share with your friends on Facebook. Thank you so much, and see you next week.